Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos. In this video, you will learn how to use the spot healing brush tool and the healing brush tool. First, you click on the healing brush tool, you hold down, and you select the spot healing brush. With the spot healing brush, you can dab or brush over the blemish or object to remove it, just like this. You can adjust the brush size by using the square bracket key. To use the healing brush tool, make sure the sample current and below is selected. Then hold the Alt key and select an area close to the object or blemish you want to remove. Then brush over it until you are done. You can see before and after. Before and after. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more videos. Thank you.